Welcome to the Year 7 Cross Arts Project 2021. I'd like to give you a general overview and share some of the wonderful work that the students did. The project took place over 2 days, and the students participated in a series of workshops across the 3 disciplines of music, art and drama, focusing on developing a range of skills. In music, they have developed instrumental technique, ensemble awareness, expressive control and compositional skills. In art, they have made jelly prints, using African prints as their inspiration, and have practiced the lino printing skills they learnt in class earlier in the year. In drama, they have focused on developing skills around physical theatre, characterisation and voice projection. The main idea behind the project was to develop students' cultural awareness and build their collaborative skills, working in teams to produce a final piece of work. They started with nothing and ended with a performance where the actors and musicians worked together alongside a backdrop stunning artwork which they had created during the 2 days. The year group was divided into 2, with half preparing a performance of a folk tale from India called The Little Mice and the Big Elephant. This story was taken from the Panchatantra collection, which is an ancient Indian collection of interrelated animal fables in Sanskrit verse and prose. The moral of the story is based around the idea that we should look out for others and that sometimes a weak-looking person may prove stronger than we think. The gamelan, which is a set of percussion instruments from Indonesia, was used to create the music. The other half of the year performed an African folk tale based around Anansi the spider. The Anansi tales are thought to have originated in Ghana, and Anansi is often celebrated as a symbol of slave resistance and survival. His stories enabled slaves to establish a sense of community with their African past and offered them a means to transform and assert their identity in captivity. Students used African drums, the djembe, to create the music. Throughout the whole process, the students were fantastic and they had so many creative ideas. A huge congratulations to all of them, and I hope you enjoy seeing a taste of what they achieved in such a short space of time.